everybody? It's your man Dre World back here in my world, you know what I'm saying, with the Mustang GT. Look at this beauty right now. You know what I'm saying? We had to admire the artwork of this piece of machine right here, y'all. On who this joint don't go stupid. Y'all see how dirty my car is right now, bro. Don't get a black car. Do not get a black car at all. If y'all haven't watched this video of me installing this, bro, the reason why there's water getting in there is because of this. This won't screw in anymore, so it's not really that big of a difference. You can't even tell, but you can see the water droplets in the back. That's kind of frying me. Give y'all this angle right here. Ooh, my God, bro. This shit's stupid, bro. Stupid. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. Come on, Ford. Come on, Ford, bro. What is that? That joint hot too. So here's the 5.0 engine right here with the flex fuel kit, with the PMAS intake, and y'all can't see it, but it has stainless works, long tube headers with an X pipe. Me right now doesn't have E85 right now, but it will. Stay tuned to the dyno video, bro. I know y'all don't want to miss that video of me dynoing the car, bro. Y'all don't at all. Y'all see by the title, the thumbnail, what really happened to my Mustang GT engine, bro? What caused it to blow up? What caused me to have to drop $10,000 on a brand new engine, bro? Y'all should know why. This thing is built like paper. Say nah. These joints, this car is pretty good. So basically, what I think it is, right? Nobody really told me exactly what really happened because only I really know. If y'all know cars, what causes a big hole in the engine block, y'all should know why. Excessive acceleration, low oil. If y'all watched the video of me blowing up my Mustang, y'all could see I'm open throttling the car. I'm high revving the car the whole video. I'm over here trying to hear my exhaust. You know what I'm saying? I had only an X pipe. I still had everything else stock, so I only had an X pipe. So of course, I got to get up to 5,000 RPMs to make it scream. Over here, giving y'all the best content possible. And for me doing that and not taking care of her, I went back, right? I recorded the last oil change I did on this car, and it was in November of 2023. I didn't change the oil, right, all the way to March 2024. And y'all, if y'all see my POV drives is me cutting up, me going fast in a fast car. Why would I not post POV drives or not going fast? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can cruise and stuff like that. Y'all see the lightning? Well, they talking about tornado watch and shit. I don't see no tornado. But yeah. So yeah, me trying to get content and me being a dumbass, not taking care of the car. Who checks the oil, bro? Like, if you're a casual person, you don't check. This is my first car of this type of tier, this power, this expensive. I came up driving a Nissan Altima. I wrecked that. I wrecked my Nissan Altima. I had a RSX Type S, 6-speed manual that had a lot of Maryland inspection problems, and it just cost too much money. And you know, that was a project car, and I'm not really that good working my hands, so that was a dumb purchase on my end. The main point is, I never drove a car over 200 horsepower. I never drove this car before until I bought this car. So it's like me experiencing this power for the first time. Of course, I'm a gunner every time and put in sport mode every time I get in the car, bro. And me being a casual driver, not paying attention, I went 4 months without changing the oil, even checking it. So it's my fault. You know what I'm saying? I tried to go to insurance, try to see if they could help me fix it. What the fuck was that? I'm Jai in my old high school. Yep. This right here is an automotive shop. That right there is a collision repair. So my high school had STI program where I was an auto mechanic, you know what I'm saying? For 3 years, I had shop experience. But of course, you know, the teacher was favoritism, and he only had the ones who actually grew up working on cars, work on the cars. And they had us doing paperwork, us trying to learn by paper and writing notes and just doing clean up shop. Like we didn't even, I don't even remember the last time I worked on a car on here. I don't even think I even worked on a car in here. All I had to do was support with brake pads and oil changes. That's all I did in here. But that's besides the point. Back to the car. So yeah, that's what happened to the engine. I could have saved my old engine if I didn't keep playing with it and trying to start it. Like y'all saw in the video, I was trying to start it and all that, but I don't know, it probably was GG's, bro. I think when it revved all the way up and it didn't shift, I think that's when it was GG's, y'all. Oh my God. I'm just trying to get content for y'all and trying to make it out, you know what I'm saying? Trying to be great and shit, you know what I'm saying? I just gotta be smarter, and I think that was a big learning experience, and now I'm in a position where it's like I had to go in. I had to record every single day. I had to show y'all content of this car. I had to pull up everywhere. I had to be outside because it's like I'm over here and all this debt, you know what I'm saying? I still owe money on the car, and now I just upgraded. I just got stainless works, long two headers. I just got a PMAS intake, a flex fuel kit. I'm getting a dyno tune. Bro, y'all can't imagine, bro. But I'm not even going to show y'all the invoice. I'm not even going to show y'all the money I spent on this until I make that video of the description of this build of the first of my NA Mustang, to see the horsepower numbers and show y'all, you know what I'm saying, what I got done to it. That will be in a future video. So yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. I was taking pictures of the car. As you can see, I'm in a little good spot. Ain't nothing too crazy. Y'all see all this open space over here? What y'all think I'm about to do with this open space over here? Nah, I can't. You know why? That's why. And you know what else is why? Yeah, y'all know. So I'm not even about to do all that, you know what I'm saying? I'm not stupid. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and drop this, start her up. Ain't gonna be doing no spinning or nothing because I'm not stupid. I'm not about to get bagged. Not about to do some reckless driving shit, and they clearly got my license plate. Cause I was, if y'all need to follow, bro, hold on. I know I'm doing a lot of talking, bro. I'm sorry, but follow me on Instagram, please. So when you type this in and you click on my profile, go to the bio. It says Dre Worlds with a Z. You know what I'm saying? Forget this space and it has a Z. Click on that and that's the car. Instagram. Simple. Yeah, I'm gonna just get some drive-bys. You know what I'm saying? Some third-person views since I'm by myself. And yeah, let's get this shit rolling. Hello, YouTube. It's your boy Dre. I'm back here with another bang. That should be good. Alright, YouTube, I got me a thumbnail. So yeah, y'all. Is this supposed to sound like this? We out. And just like that, we out. I had to do a little something for y'all. Just something quick. A little 3. Well, what did I do? A 720? But yeah, we out. I'm just sweating. I got the AC on now. But yeah, that's enough pushing this car. I think that right there was that right there. Oh, that shit felt good. And I got the bad tires on right now, so it's just good to slide it. But like I said in the other videos, like it's just, I need to put on my lights. Just like I said in my other videos, it's just, I need to get the tune. They gotta do their final checks. Bro, look at this camera. I'm like in the pitch dark with my lights off right now. And y'all can still see. That's crazy. All right, if I do this, what happens? Ooh. Okay. Okay. I do a little something for y'all. I do some cool late night cruising, and y'all can hear the exhaust. Oh, it'll probably get some pops if I put it in sport. Popo. Look at that boy truck. That boy got the neon. F450. I'm gonna trust you, bro. My God. Alright, y'all. It's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope I answered some of y'all questions. I hope. Hold on, let me roll out the window. Let me talk to y'all real quick. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be dropping content upon content of this car. So if y'all tired of me, bro, then don't subscribe, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you want me to get a different car, subscribe and like my videos and watch my videos. Obviously, I don't want this to be my only car. You know what I'm saying? If y'all fuck with the content, you see potential, go ahead and like up this video and hit subscribe. And stay tuned to the next videos because we're gonna be lit over here, bruh. Real talk, bruh. So, yeah, y'all. It's been your man, Dre. World, in his own world, clocking out. I'm out.